Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and movers, Mumbai, Maharashtra. The professional ensures every house property is handled safely without breaking the products, getting lost, and spilling things. And the packers and movers manage every property with high quality packaging, and they progress through the automated machines. Best professional packers and movers, Mumbai, Maharashtra. The same service and ensure the home appliance is secured enough while packing and unpacking time. Once you hire these professionals, you can reduce the stress level about the relocation and give shifting solutions to their customers. Relocation services, Mumbai, Maharashtra. One most vital is things got to document and will reach on time for paperworks. The expert ensures that transferring the items with the purchasers should safely reach the destination, not obstruct the paperwork. Car transport services by car carrier, Mumbai, Maharashtra. The car transport comes with separate containers, and the tire is the seal. Every corner of the car is checked and covered with a bubble wrapper to avoid accidental damage. Bike transport by two-wheeler, body scooter, body truck, Mumbai, Maharashtra. The tire lock and handlebars are tie-ups with a specific roll to make the best comfort for long-distance travel. Hiring motorcycle transportation services, commercial and household goods luggage transport services, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Commercial goods transport services has special shipping services. We meet our customers' requirement and offer the best freightage, so you look no further and come back to us whenever the need arises. Commercial complex, office, factory, industrial relocation shifting solution, Mumbai, Maharashtra. The challenges of managing a commercial property include cost, quality, sustainability, and more. Outsourcing facilities solutions to an integrated facility management company secures consistency. Local transporter services within city, interstate and intrastate transportation, Mumbai, Maharashtra. We have set high standards in every facet of transportation and strive to keep raising the bar. With our extensive industry knowledge and skill team, you can completely focus on your core interests. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle, Mumbai, Maharashtra. If your pet needs to move sooner or you are not looking to hire full service assistance, your move is taking place at least 3 months from now, we encourage you to send us your information as soon as possible. Good storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Private offices, private warehouse suites, and community memberships. Any mix of the three can be used by a company. For most entrepreneurs, this is ideal. For local and international relocation services, you can get the transportation service Indeed. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance, Mumbai, Maharashtra. The difference, of course, is that trucks can cause more damage and often prove significantly more expensive to repair following a collision. If your primary focus is the transportation of people, consumer goods, equipment, or waste, then you're in the right place. Contact us on shifting@cargo.in, www.cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com, and mobile number 9405410002.